What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money drawing squares and shapes. If this sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money drawing squares and shapes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and smash that like button. And drop a comment down below. Tell me where you're from, what country you represent. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I'm going to get right into this method. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because you need to know every step that you need to take to make this money. So please don't skip through the video. Please don't skip through the video. Go watch it all the way to the very end. I'm not making it that long, so please watch it all the way to the very end. And also at the end of this video, and maybe in the middle of this video, you never know where I'm gonna put this in this video, is a special bonus. So I might talk about the special bonus anywhere within this video, but you need to watch it all the way through, because I might have it at the end of the video. So please watch this video all the way through so you know about the special bonus. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money drawing squares and shapes. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the app. So they have a website also, but I went ahead and downloaded the app because I want to test it out for myself to make sure this is a legit app. And want to make sure that you guys are getting a good money making opportunity here. So I'm inside the app and I'm where it says jobs. Now, I'm going to tell you in the minute what is the name of this app, but I want you to go ahead and watch every step I take so you'll know how this method works and you know what to do once you download the app yourself so you won't be lost. So I'll tell you what the name of this in a minute. I just need you to watch this all the way through. Okay, so let's click on this one right here. So this is the job. We'll click. It says $2 per 1,000 tasks right here. And it says fill in area occupied by sales and images. So we'll click on that. And see where it says bounding box tutorial. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And let's start the tutorial. And see, this is what you're going to be doing. Here's the introduction. So you're going to be drawing squares around the objects in the picture. So let's go to the next slide here. And here's one object. You'll be drawing a square around like that strawberry right there. Hope you can see that. Then next one. Creating bounding boxes. So let's go ahead and do this. And this is what they want you to do. So you're going to click, it's a button down here that says add. So you're going to click that. And as you can see, these lines are popping up. So you're going to go ahead and make sure it's around the square. I know I'm taking a little bit long, but it shouldn't take but about less than a minute to do this. But I'm just trying to get perfect. Then you just click done, and then you click submit. Then it should say correct. You see, if it's not incorrect, it's going to say incorrect, but you go to the next task. But basically, that's what you're going to be doing. So let's get out of this. So basically, that's what you're going to be doing. And here are the badges right here. And here is the menu. So they have jobs, notification, stats, leaderboard, payroll, weekly bonus, referrals. And your referrals, you get when you get a referral, you get $5 for each referral, and you can pay out that money through. You can cash out that money through PayPal or Bitcoin. So that's how this works. So if you're interested in starting with this app or website, the name of it is Hive Work. And you can go to the website, which is hivemicro.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will make you money just by drawing squares and shapes. So go ahead and sign up with that website. Pick a task. Start drawing those squares and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, all you have to do is scroll down to the description below, and you're going to see where it says free giveaways. Click on that link, and it's going to take you to a website, and you'll be able to get 3 free gifts. But you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Then you can go down there, hit on that link, click on that link in the free giveaway area in the description, and it's going to take you to their website, and then you'll be able to download 3 free gifts. And that's from me to you, just for subscribing to this channel and just for watching my video. I also have some other cool stuff in the description below. Now, if you're having problems getting views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, there's a link for that. And also, if you want to start a full-time income, making money on autopilot, making money while you sleep, there's a link for that. Just click where it says my #1 recommended site to make money on autopilot. So click on that link also in the description below. All right, that's all I have for this video today. Please do me a favor, and it's also going to do you a favor. Hit that like button, and let's get up to 30 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be seen on YouTube, and the more viewers will be checking out this video, which will become potential subscribers. Because when I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward somebody, and maybe 2 people, free money, because I like to give out free money to people, because you guys are helping me grow my channel, and I want to reward you guys for helping me. So please hit that like button. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me what country you're from. And also, if you have a question about this video today, drop that in the comment section also. And please share this on all social media everywhere, because I want to help as many people I can to become financially free and become their own boss and make money online. And lastly, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you, Grind family. You're a strong family. Keep supporting a brother. All right, before I leave, I just like to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video, and go check out some of my other videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.